Guys, welcome to video number 2 and step 1 of creating our portal pages. So I'm just going to give you a diagram overview of what's going to happen. So this will be our case portal pages, and it will consist of 4 pages. It'll have a home page, case details, contact details, and account details. And you can by using the home page, you can actually navigate to your case details, your contact details, account details, and you can update it. You can create a new case if you want. You can do all sorts of stuff. So that's just the pages overview. So in this video, we'll create our home page, case page, contact page, account page. We will not add all the details in there right away, but I will just create them, and then we'll work on each of the. I'll do a video on each of the pages that I create and what sort of configurations I do on them, so you get a understanding from at the high level and also at the nuance level as well. So let's get started. I'm going to log into my form Titan form loader. Okay, once I'm in here, let's click allow, and let's create a new form. So we'll say new blank form. Okay, let's go ahead and name it first. We'll say this will be our case portal. Great. And the next thing we want to do is add a page break. And what page break does is it allows you to build multiple pages within your form. So what we'll do is right now we'll just call this, just for the sake of it, we'll call it home page. Home page. As I said, I'm not going to go into too many configuration details at the moment. I'm just going to set up my pages, so when I get to building them, I know which ones they are. So let's give this a font of 30. Right, this will be my home page. Leave this there for now. Let's get rid of this. And now I'm going to add another page. So all I have to do is click the element, go into settings and say add. And now I can even rename this page. So we're in page number 2 and we're going to call our page, let's call it case layout. And I'll just put a label in here, case layout. Case layout, and we'll say this one can be 30. So that's a case layout, and then next we'll do the same thing. We'll add one more, add, and we'll say this one can be our, in fact I'm just going to copy this, and we'll go to our page and we'll call this contact layout. And then our final page is going to be our account layout. Again, settings, add, and then we'll say our account layout. Perfect. And we'll just copy that and we'll call this account layout. Alright, go ahead and save your form. So that's our pages set up. So we've got account layout, we've got contact layout, case layout, and home page. And we're going to use our home page to drive to all these 4 pages and the information that's going to be on them. We're not going to use the page break because we will hide it, and I will show you how to hide it. You can just go into settings, click the element, and go to hide per device. And now this is hidden. So if we just quickly preview, one second, just need to save it. And if we quickly preview now, as we see, we can't really access any of the other pages. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build functionality dynamically in each page so you can access these different pages without having to use a page break. And it will make it really handy for you to display multiple pages without people to clicking next, 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 and just use the functionality you put in each of the pages. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will design our case layout. So we'll begin with that. And then we'll go contact, and then finally we'll go account, and once all three are set up, we will set up our home page. So be sure to check out the next video, and I will see you then.